Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're taking a look at the 2024 Ferrari SF90, a track-only monster that redefines what's possible in a hybrid supercar. Exterior: the SF90 is based on the SF90 Stradale, but it's been heavily modified for the track. It features a new aerodynamic body kit with a fixed rear wing, a larger front splitter, and dive-planes on the sides. The car is also lighter than the Stradale, thanks to the use of carbon fiber throughout. Interior: the interior of the SF90 is stripped down and focused on performance. The seats are racing buckets, and the steering wheel is covered in Alcantara. The car also features a digital instrument cluster that provides the driver with all the information they need to push the car to its limits. Performance: the SF90 is powered by a hybrid powertrain that consists of a twin turbocharged 4.0 liters V8 engine and 3 electric motors. The combined output of the powertrain is 1,016 horsepower, which is enough to propel the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.1 seconds. The SF90 also has a top speed of over 210 miles per hour. On-track performance: the SF90 is a true track monster. It's incredibly fast and agile, and it has plenty of downforce to keep it planted in the corners. The car also features a number of advanced technologies, such as a traction control system that can be adjusted on the fly. The 2024 Ferrari SF90 is the ultimate track-only supercar. It's fast, agile, and technologically advanced. If you're looking for the ultimate driving experience, the SF90 is the car for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Ferrari content.